In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly send USDT or any type of cryptocurrency to another Binance account. So with this method, you can be able to send Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency from your Binance account to another Binance account user. And it is very, very easy and fast. So first thing that you have to do is to head straight to your Binance app. Now, once you log into your Binance app, the next thing that you have to do is to head straight to the home page. So here we have the overview. You will have to be on the overview, which is your wallet. All right. When you click asset, it is going to redirect you to the overview. Then the next thing that you have to click on is send. Now, when you click on send, it is going to give you the 3 different options that you can use to send money from your Binance account to another wallet. The first option is to send to Binance users. The second option is to send on-chain withdrawal. And the third one is P2P trading. So we are going to be using the first one, which is send to Binance users. And if you want me to make videos on other options like the on-chain withdrawal and the P2P trading as well, let me know in the comment section and I will make video about that too. But for the sake of time, we are going to be using the first option, which is send to Binance users. So when you click on that, it is going to redirect you to the next page where you are supposed to enter the Binance ID. Okay, so you can either select email or phone number or select Binance ID. For security reasons, I always recommend that you use Binance ID. So the receiver should send you a Binance ID just like this one on my screen. Okay, and when the receiver send you this code like this, all you have to do is copy the code. And then when you copy the code, then you head back to your Binance account. Then you are going to select Binance ID. Then you are going to paste the code inside the box like this. Once you paste the code inside the box like this, then you are going to send continue. When you click on continue, then the next thing is to enter the amount that you want to send to the receiver. So for example, if you are sending for the very first time, if you're trying this method for the very first time, I recommend you start with as low as $10. So once you send it and you see that it is successful, then you can make another transaction. Okay, so I'm going to start with $10. Then once you've entered the amount, then the next thing is enter a note, maybe a message that you want to include in the crypto that you are sending, so that the receiver will know exactly who sent the crypto. So I can just put in services. So the receiver is going to see this message and they will know that I'm the one sending the crypto, the USDT. Or I can just write Rambo Tech, sent by Rambo Tech. So this is more like a reference message. So once you've done that, then you click continue. Then the next thing is for you to confirm the payments. Okay, with this method that I have showed you right now, it is very, very safe because you can see the receiver's ID, you can see the receiver's profile picture, and you can also see their nickname. So once the receiver is able to give you the ID and the nickname, you'll be able to identify their profile immediately. Then once you've confirmed it and everything is okay by you, then you click confirm. Now Binance is going to ask you to enter your pay PIN. Then you go ahead and enter your pay PIN. And within some few seconds, your payment has been sent. And as you can see, payment is successful. And I can just go ahead and screenshot this. And I will send it to the receiver for confirmation. And that is how to send cryptocurrency like USDT, BTC from your Binance account to another Binance user. Guys, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching this video and stay blessed.